Hello, welcome to another episode of English at Home. 1, 2, 3, come on.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
So we're going to be doing story time, and my face keeps changing. And here's a chameleon I'm working on. It's story time. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Clifford saves the birds. Clifford is a dog. What color dog is he? Is he blue? No, he's red. Our neighbors didn't like Clifford. Do you see the neighbors? They look angry. Do you see Clifford, the big red dog? The neighbors are eating. They are outside. What color is the grandmother's shirt? It's pink. What about the grandfather? He is wearing a purple shirt. But they did like birds. One day, Clifford saw people working in front of the neighbor's house. Clifford watched. Do you see the people working? How many people are working? 1, 2, 3. Do you see the birds? In the first picture, the grandfather is giving food to the birds. How many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How does the grandfather feel? The grandfather looks happy. In the second picture, how many birds are there? 1, 2. What are the birds doing? Are they eating? No, they're flying. Clifford could see into the neighbor's yard. Oh no, the birds were in trouble. Why are the birds in trouble? There is a cat. Do you see it? Oh no, it wants to eat the birds. What are the birds doing? The birds are in the water taking a bath. They haven't seen the cat. Clifford picked up a water pipe and took a deep breath. He pulled the cat right out of the yard. That was a very surprised cat. Meow. How does the cat feel? The cat was surprised and probably scared. The grandparents looked surprised and a bit scared too. Now the neighbors like Clifford as much as they like birds. Do you see the grandparents? They are happy. What is the grandmother doing? She is giving Clifford, the big red dog, a big hug. Do you see the birds? The birds are happy too. What color are the birds? I see 2 blue birds, 1 red bird, and 1 green bird. What about the grandfather? What color trousers is he wearing? He is wearing blue trousers. The end. So I'm currently on the sofa here with Frida. I had a panda mask on. It went away, but there it is. We're going to get up and do some yoga. Are you ready? Hello, I'm back from doing yoga, and I put on a hoodie because I'm cold. Did you do yoga? Ask your parents for the link on YouTube. Bye-bye. Yo. Hello. Are you ready? We're going to paint. So get your imagination started. Hello, welcome to art class. We're going to be doing drawings today. But first, let us review the material. Here is an eraser, a pencil sharpener, a pencil, some markers, and crayons. There is also paper. I like to cut my crayons up, but you shouldn't without your parents' permission. Here is purple, blue, green, yellow, pink, red, orange, and brown. I have some markers, and here they are: the pencil, the sharpener, the eraser, and the paper. Okay, so we're gonna try doing something a little bit more challenging, but I think that you can do it. Don't worry, just try. We're gonna try to do a unicorn. All right, so what are we gonna do first? First, we are going to do like this. And then like that. Okay. And then right here, we're gonna go like that and like that. For the nose, we're gonna do like a C. And then for the eye, we're gonna go like some circles, and we're gonna add some eyelashes. For the nose, it is a little dot, and we can add a smile. Then we're gonna draw some hair here. Do you see? And right there, coming from the hair, is where we're gonna draw the horn. And the horn is just a long, thin triangle. And then we draw some lines going across it. And now let's draw some more hair. Unicorns have lots of hair. So here we go. And it's kind of whirly at the end too. And there we have it, a unicorn, and we can add a heart. And we have to also color it. But before we do, let's add some other things. Let's add some stars. And this is one way to do a star, but we can also do a star with two triangles. You do one triangle up and one triangle down. And that's a really easy way. One triangle up, one triangle down. One triangle up, one triangle down. And over here, I'm actually going to draw a cloud. And then another cloud over here. And then look at this. I'm gonna unite them because what am I doing? I am drawing a rainbow. So there we go. We have a rainbow. And if we have a rainbow, we should also have a sun. There you go. And some hearts. More stars. And the sun can have a happy face. It's a happy sun. Now it's time to color. Now, something that I personally like doing is using markers and crayons. What I like to do is that I like to trace the marker over the pencil. using whatever color. So if I'm gonna color the hair orange, I use an orange marker. Whatever color marker I use, it's the color crayon that I will use later. So later I will put in blue. So now I'm coloring the unicorn pink inside of the bordered marker. I'm coloring the sky here, and if you notice, I'm just going over the hearts and the stars because later the marker will go over that. So I just laid down this and I'm just rubbing away. Okay, so here it is complete. I have labeled it. Here is the rainbow clouds. How many clouds? 1, 2. We have the sun, the unicorn, stars. How many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hearts. How many hearts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you do as many or as little as you want. I hope you have followed along and that you had a good time. See you later. So Yetel, the other cat, started this. Frida's learning how to balance on the shoulder as I walk. Here's Yetel, and she's an expert. She just lies across my shoulders. We can walk everywhere.
Clap your hands.